These two chainsaws. One is Aussie premium chainsaw that I have received from Aussie's premium shop or Aussie's premium store, and this is another chainsaw some sellers are selling online. These are different sellers. Let me show you what's the difference between the Aussie premium chainsaw and the normal chainsaw that you get for same like $134, this same price for $134 and $30. So we start with the boxes, the carry case. You can see the carry case, the size of the carry case. Here's the difference. You can see how big this Aussie premium chainsaw carry case and other this just normal seller we're selling online. So let me show you what we get with the, first we go with this one. Let me show you what we get for $129.30. This is what you get. Chainsaw, 2 batteries, they are non-lithium. These are not lithium batteries. You get 2 batteries, a charger, and 1 pair of chain that we just used it here, and a screwdriver. Let me show you what you're getting from Aussie's premium store. You get a nice carry case, you can see, and for the same price you're going to get 2 batteries, a chainsaw, a chain guide, this protective cover. As compared to this one, you can see it's just, and the chainsaw is pretty smaller than the actual Aussie's premium chainsaw, is the bigger. So you can see here, and you can see the difference here. You get nice protective gloves. You get 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4 chains. Here you get only 1 chain. Here you get assembled tools with a screwdriver. Here's just only 1 screwdriver and a charging cable, of course, and same you get charging cable here. Now let us try these both to show the actual product, how this actual product works. Here we are going to use Aussie's premium chainsaw to cut this dry wood. Let's see. Here you go. Now we try this one. We try with this one. We'll see how it goes. So that's the difference. Now it's up to you. You wanna buy this product for $134 or with just 1 chain and few accessories, and these are not even lithium batteries, and you want to buy this product. That's super power, brushless motors, lithium ion batteries. You get 4 chains, you get protective gloves, you get a charger, and look at this beautiful carry case. Look at this. So